Ever wondered what data science is and how it's done using our software? Well, let's dive right into it. Data science is a field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It's like a treasure hunt where you dig deep into data to discover the gems of insights that can help businesses make informed decisions. Now, imagine having a powerful tool that could aid you in this exciting treasure hunt. That's where R software comes in. R is a programming language specifically designed for data science. It's like a Swiss Army knife for data scientists, packed with tools to help you clean, analyze, visualize, and model data. So, why is R such a popular choice for data science, you ask? First off, R is incredibly versatile. No matter what you want to do with your data, whether it's cleaning it, analyzing it, visualizing it, or building predictive models, R has a tool for that. It's like having a multi-purpose toolbox at your disposal. But it's not just the versatility that makes R popular, it's the community. R has a large and active community of users and developers who are constantly improving and expanding its capabilities. This means that if you're ever stuck or need help, chances are someone has already asked your question and received an answer. It's like having a team of experts backing you up. And let's not forget the vast selection of libraries and packages available in R. These are like add-ons that extend the functionality of R, making it even more powerful and versatile. From ggplot2 for data visualization to Caret and MLR for machine learning, these libraries and packages make it possible to do almost anything with data. In essence, R software isn't just a tool, it's a powerful ally in the world of data science. You might be asking, what can you actually do with data science using R software? Let's dive into the multifaceted role of R in the realm of data science. First off, R is an invaluable tool for data cleaning and wrangling. It allows you to easily handle missing values, remove outliers, and transform variables. This is a critical step in any data science project, as the quality of your data directly impacts the quality of your insights. Now, once your data is clean and ready, it's time for some exploration. R shines in data analysis, offering a vast array of statistical functions for tasks such as descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis. These functions can help you uncover patterns, trends, and relationships in your data, providing the foundations for your insights. Next, we come to data visualization. R boasts powerful libraries like ggplot2, which enable you to create a wide array of charts and graphs. These visualizations can help you understand your data better and communicate your findings effectively. And we can't forget about machine learning. With libraries like Caret and MLR, you can build predictive models using a variety of algorithms. From predicting house prices to detecting fraud, machine learning in R can help you make forecasts and decisions backed by data. But the capabilities of R in data science don't stop there. R is also used for text mining, network analysis, and even bioinformatics. So whether you're analyzing tweets, studying social networks, or decoding DNA sequences, R has got you covered. As you can see, R software is like a Swiss Army knife in the hands of data scientists. With its wide range of functions and libraries, it empowers you to clean data, analyze it, visualize it, and even make predictions with it. So whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of data science or you're a seasoned pro, R is a tool that can help you turn data into insights and insights into action. So, what makes our software such a hot commodity in the realm of data science? Well, one of the key reasons is its power and versatility. R is a robust language that can handle a wide range of data science tasks. Whether it's data analysis, visualization, or machine learning, R has got you covered. It's like the Swiss Army knife of data science tools, capable of tackling a multitude of tasks with ease and precision. But that's not all. R boasts a large and active community of users and developers. This means that when you're stuck or when you're looking to expand your knowledge, there's a high chance someone in the community has already found a solution or is ready to help. It's like having a vast global team of data scientists at your disposal, ready to lend a hand when you need it. Moreover, R is like a well-stocked library, but instead of books, it's full of libraries and packages tailored for data science. These libraries and packages are essentially pre-written codes that perform specific tasks, saving you the time and effort of coding from scratch. For instance, ggplot2 for data visualization, Carrot and MLR for machine learning, and dplyr for data wrangling, to name just a few. This wide range of resources makes R incredibly versatile, enabling you to handle a variety of data science tasks with ease. And let's not forget about R's ability to interface with other programming languages. This means that if you're already familiar with languages like Python or SQL, you can seamlessly integrate those skills with your R programming. This cross-language compatibility further adds to R's versatility and appeal. In essence, the power and versatility of R, coupled with the large and active community and the wide range of libraries and packages it offers, make it a powerhouse for data science. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist or a beginner stepping into the world of data analysis, R provides a comprehensive and user-friendly platform for all your data science needs. The benefits of R software in data science are numerous, making it a favorable choice for data scientists worldwide. Ready to dive into the world of data science using R software? Here are some resources to get you started. When it comes to books, two stand out from the rest. The first is R for Data Science by Hadley Wickham and Garrett Grolemund. This book serves as a comprehensive introduction to data science using R, covering everything from data import to data wrangling to data visualization and data communication. It's a must-read for anyone looking to make sense of their data. The second book is Learning R by Richard Cotton. This book is a more gentle introduction to R programming, making it a great choice for individuals who are new to programming or data science. It covers the basics of R in an easy-to-understand way, making the learning curve a bit less steep. But books aren't the only resource available. If you prefer learning online, there are a number of high-quality courses available. DataCamp, for instance, offers a wide range of online courses in data science and R programming. It's a great way to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. Another online platform that offers quality courses is Coursera. Here, you can find courses from universities around the world, offering a more academic approach to learning data science using R. And let's not forget about the large and active R community out there. There are numerous forums and discussion groups available where you can ask questions, share your knowledge, and learn from others. Some of the most popular are Stack Overflow and the RStudio community. Finally, there's no better way to learn than by doing. So, once you have a basic understanding of R, I recommend finding a dataset you're interested in and start exploring. There are numerous open-source datasets available online that you can use to practice your new skills. With these resources, learning data science using R software has never been easier. Let's take a look at some examples of data science projects that you can do using R software. One of the most common projects is building a model to predict house prices. This classic data science task involves using various machine learning algorithms to create a model that predicts the price of a house based on its features like location, number of bedrooms, and square footage. This is a perfect example of how R's capabilities in machine learning and data analysis can be put to use. Another popular project is analyzing customer data to identify trends. With R, you can use a variety of data analysis techniques to spot patterns in customer behavior, such as which products are most popular or which customers are most likely to stop using your service. This kind of project can help businesses improve their strategies and make more informed decisions. For a more advanced project, consider building a model to detect fraud. This involves using machine learning algorithms to build a model that can identify fraudulent transactions. This kind of project demonstrates how R can be used for more complex tasks, including anomaly detection and pattern recognition. Data science isn't just about analyzing data, it's also about visualizing it. With R's powerful libraries like ggplot2, you can create stunning visualizations that make it easier to understand and interpret your data. For instance, you could create a map that shows the distribution of a certain disease in different parts of the world, or a graph that shows the relationship between two variables. These are just a few examples of what you can do with data science using R software. Each project presents its own unique challenges and opportunities for learning. Whether you're predicting house prices, analyzing customer data, or detecting fraud, you're sure to find something that interests you and helps you develop your skills as a data scientist. Remember, these examples only scratch the surface of what's possible with data science using R software. The possibilities are virtually endless.